Ghost Town, the original part of the park, has the best theming, and an interesting collection of Old West characters that roam around and interact with visitors. They all have interesting tales to tell if you stop and listen. A one-room schoolhouse, a blacksmith shop, and a glass-blowing shop are among the historic exhibits. You can also find Sad-Eyed Joe, who has been entertaining kids from his jail cell since 1941. Stop and have a chat with him. He has a lot to say. The 8 and 10-year-old on our visit spent a good 5 minutes chatting with the carved wooden figure behind bars. If you happen to notice the gentleman at a microphone in the window of the building just to the front and to the right of the jail, you might sneakily give him your child's name so Sad-Eyed Joe can call out to him or her by name as they're passing. Most of the rides and attractions stick with the Western theme, but the Silver Bullet coaster seems out of place, and hard to find if you're actually looking for it, and the Screamin' Swing seems just kind of plopped in where they could squeeze it. There are multiple shows worth checking out, from a Wild West stunt show to the Cirque-style Boomtown acrobatics to an old-time saloon show at the Calico Saloon. The Indian Trails area is listed separately on the park map, but it's really part of the same location and theme, so I've included that stage here.